In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use the Canva background remover in 2025. Whether you're creating social media posts, product images, or marketing materials, this tool can save you tons of time and give your designs a professional, polished look. Let's get started. First, open Canva and either start a new design or open one you're already working on. Upload your own image from your device or pick one directly from Canva's image library. Once the image is on your canvas, simply click on it to highlight it. Now look toward the top toolbar and you'll see the Edit Photo option. Click on that, and in the editing panel, you'll find the Background Remover tool. With one click, Canva's AI will instantly strip away the background, leaving only your subject in focus. But here's the part that makes it powerful: refining your result. Sometimes the AI misses a detail, so just click the background remover button again and use the erase and restore brushes. The erase tool helps you clean up any leftover background, while the restore tool brings back parts of the image that you actually want to keep. This ensures your subject looks clean, natural, and exactly how you want it. Once you're happy with the result, it's time to download. Go to the download button and choose PNG for the best quality, especially if you want a transparent background for overlays, logos, or product mockups. And that's it. You've successfully used the Canva background remover. It's quick, intuitive, and gives you pro-level results without needing advanced photo editing software. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to try it out on your next design and see how much cleaner and more professional your visuals look. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.